I want to give you a quick heads up about my teaching style because I know it's going to help you so much on your embroidery journey. So I'm all about progress over perfection. When you're learning any new skill or hobby, you need to accept the fact that you'll be starting at the beginner level. No one dives in and becomes an expert or a master overnight. In fact, even after years of stitching, I feel like I still have so much room to grow and improve my skills. So I want you to embrace the learning process and accept that you will make mistakes along the way. At first, holding the needle might feel a bit awkward, or your stitches might look a bit wonky. That is totally cool and to be expected. Don't give up, keep going, and you'll be amazed at how much you improve and get comfortable with your stitchy skills each time you make a pattern. And if your first piece turns out somewhat unique, that is all good. It will be a wonderful piece to look back on later in your embroidery journey and you'll marvel about how far you've come. So as you work your way through the course, remember my mantra of progress over perfection and enjoy all parts of the journey.